JadenLee4th L10. Today we're going to go over congruence and similarity, and then going over coordinate pairs, and then we're going to do some more problems. Let's start with congruence and similarity. So, congruent and similarity are both kind of similar. So, congruent would mean that they are the same thing, and similar, well, it looks similar, it's not the same thing. So, I'll give you an example. Let's take a number one. Number one shows two ovals, a red one and a blue one. And while one is flipped to the side and one's standing up, if you move this to the side over here, you'd be able to see that it looks the exact same as the red one. It's the exact same, and so it's congruent. But let's think of number two. Number two, we have two circles, and we can obviously see that one circle is bigger than the other circle. But we can say that like this circle is two times bigger than this circle, so it's similar in that sense that everything is two times it. Off that, let's look at number three. Sorry, excuse me. We have one blue circle and one red circle. And is this congruent and similar? If we move this around, it doesn't look like that. And if you multiply by anything, I don't think it will look like that. So it would be neither. It'd be neither congruent or similar. Let's look at number four. We have two triangles. Both triangles are formed that, that, and that. So this would be a similar triangle. And if you want, you can find what the rate is by finding the length of this and the length of this. But we'll probably do that a different day. You just need to know that they're both similar because they both look alike but are just by different numbers. Moving on, we're going to go to coordinate points. So we have coordinate points in different areas, and then we're going to find the coordinate points of them. First, let's just label out the points to make it easier for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oof. But we have like that, right? 6, 7. The graph is a bit hard to see, but it's fine. Okay, let's look at number A. Where's A? So A is at the x value 4, because it's x, and this is y. And to do a coordinate point, you do x and y. An easy way to memorize this is because in the alphabet, your x is before your y, because it goes x, y, and then z. So your x is always first. So let's find the x value of A. And now if you look straight down, it's at 4. So it's 4, comma, let's look up, 4, comma, and then you look at your y value, so you go like that, and this would be 4, comma 5. Let's look at some more. Let's look at B. We bring it straight down and straight across. And then we have x first, so it's 3, and then our y value, which is 1. Let's do C. So C right now is in the negatives. So it's at -5. And then it went up once. So it should be -5, 1. Let's see about D. D is about at 3. And if we bring it across, shoop. This is -4, 3. So we do the x first, which is 3. And then the y, which is -3. Let's do a bit more. Let's do, where's E? E, here. So we are -1 here. And we're going to bring it down. So it's at -1 at x. And then -4 at y. It's pretty simple if you look at the graph of labels. And so let's do a bit more. F. This is at 7. So we bring it down and we bring it across. And when we bring it across, we get 2. So we get the coordinates 7, 2. And then G is at -1, -2, -3, yeah, -3. And then we bring it across 6. So it'll be -3, 6. And let's finish it off with H. H is you bring it down, -1, bring it across, and you get, maybe this is, oh wait, no, that's not, ah. And then you get -1, 3. -1, 3. That's it for coordinate points, and then we're going to go on to some more problems. Let's look at this problem. The coordinate plane is split into 4 quadrants like so. Do you notice anything about the points in these quadrants? Okay, so when you look at our graph for our coordinates, you can see that there's 4 boxes. There's one right here, one right here, one right here, and one here. These boxes are called quadrants. And so you go in 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. It asks, do you notice anything about the points in these quadrants? Well, in quadrant one, sorry, it's all positive numbers because it could only be 1 through infinity, 1 through infinity, so it only can be positive numbers. And then for quadrant 2, it's all negative x values and all positive y values. So you always have a negative x, but have a positive y. But for quadrant 3, you have both negative x and negative y. So let's write this down. It'll be plus plus, 2 is negative plus, 3 is negative negative, and I think you would have guessed it, 4 is plus negative. And just like that, that's how you can easily memorize your coordinates, because you're going in order of 1, 2, 3, 4, going sideways, down, and then sideways. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you.